Hello, everybody. Welcome to KE6GAE, the Hillbilly Ham. My name's Dave, and this is where ham radio comes to life. Finally getting to the unboxing of the ICOM IC V3500. I want to thank ICOM for putting the prize up. I won it through Ham Nation through a sign up through there, so you want to get a chance at winning ICOM products. Watch the Ham Nation every other week. They've got a link on there where you can go enter to win stuff from ICOM. All right. Without further ado, let's get to unboxing this radio. Well, everybody, I did kind of cheat off camera. I took everything out of the box, but have not done anything else with it. The area I've got for doing my videos with, because I don't have a whole lot of room for it right now. Plus, where I need to keep it in the light to where you can kind of see it with my okay cameras. I needed to unbox it beforehand, so without further ado, let's take a look at the ICV 3500. There you can see the face of the V3500. Also, my lighting's going to have to move while I do a test on, see if I can get an audio check. But I will say that once I get all my lights done, it will get better. But it's going to get kind of dark on this radio while I do the audio check. See, I told you it was going to get dark. All right, we're going to do a test using All-Star, the Echo node that you can use to test your audio. Because I have tried to get a few people on the repeaters and can't get a hold of anybody, and a couple buddies I know they're out busy right now. So this is how we're going to do it so you can hear what this sounds like. KE6GAE testing audio 1 2 3 4.
Audio level is slightly higher than average.
KE6GAE testing audio 1 2 3 4.
Well, that was due to the fact that I think I was a little close to the mic, so we'll try it again. That's why you heard audio levels a little high. KE6GAE testing 1 2 3.
Audio level is a little above average.
KE6GAE testing 1 2 3.
So that's what it sounds like for on a All-Star node using the Echo to test that. I'm going to go test one more repeater and see if I can get somebody. We'll take it back up to high power. So we'll give it a shot now and see what this does. KE6GAE. Is anybody around for an audio check? Try this again. I didn't have the CTSS tone set properly. KE6GAE. Is anyone around for an audio check?
KE0MJ, you're coming in clear.
Good afternoon, Roger. Yeah, I'm doing a testing out that V3500 I watched and doing a video for the unboxing.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, it's coming out just fine. I'm out here in Ozark at the moment.
All right, Roger. Well, I thank you for coming back to me. Like I said, I'm doing a recording right now, so you'll be in the video, if you don't mind. K6GAE.
Yep, that'll work. And if you make $1 million, I'd like a Dr. Pepper.
All right, Roger. K0MJ, we'll say 73. Appreciate you coming back to me from K6GAE. And I'll be clear on your final, sir.
Yep, good luck with your video, and good luck at getting the unboxing done, K0MJ73.
Well, there you go. That was a test with the 9-1. And that's Roger. That's one of our guys that does quite a bit of POTA around here. So that's what it sounds like for the V3500. All right, everybody. That was the unboxing of the ICOM IC V3500. Once again, I want to thank ICOM for that. It was a prize they sponsor Ham Nation, and every month they give away a radio. They give away swag too. I actually won some swag and won the radio. But I will do a more in-depth video on it. I need to learn more about the radio. Basically, pulled it out of the box, just play with it. So it's pretty easy to get around. As you saw, we were able to make a couple contacts on some repeaters. Used All-Star to do a test with, but we'll do a more in-depth video on it. All right, everybody. I want to thank everybody for coming by KE6GAE, the Hillbilly Ham, where ham radio comes to life. Leave your comments below. Good, bad, or the ugly. You can also leave comments below about videos you'd like to see. If you like the video, give me a subscribe, give me a like. This is a channel where we can all learn ham radio together. And I do want to remind everybody, NarcFest 2024, which is Nick's Amateur Radio Club's Hamfest, is coming up a little less than 2 months away. We were down to 14 tables the last I checked. So if you're wanting a table in your Southwest Missouri, you might want to get over to nixahams.net and get your table purchased. Also, remember, guys, we're doing something a little different as a committee this year. Grand prize, you do not have to be present to win the grand prize. All other prizes, including the Heil mic and the 6x2 Pro HD, all of those you do have to be present to win. But the grand prize, you don't. So get on over to nixahams.net. Get those advance tickets purchased. Get those door prize tickets purchased. Hope to see everybody at the Hamfest. 73, y'all. Have a good evening.